Hi, this is Farhad and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to create a coaching appointment funnel. I will go step by step process from beginning to end for this funnel. For this funnel, you can see there is a lots of boxes and this is a funnel mapping. This is the whole work we are going to do next. You can see this is a best funnel for me to high ticket offer from 500 to $10,000 offer. People who provide one-to-one solution or one-to-one consultant like business consultant, real estate consultant, yoga consultant are best for this. This funnel is best for them. So you can see there is three types of boxes all over this page, and this is the opportunity. This blue button is the opportunity, and what is opportunity? This is a question. So opportunity means a pipeline. This is the inside the GoHighLevle. You can see there is an option opportunity, and you can see this are the option. I already created new date, appointment booked, no show, cancel, attended. So this section you can see who is lead on which section in a glance, and this is a really very useful for funnel, and we will build a system that automatically populate this section on based on the customer behavior. And next the follow up, this color this orange color is a follow up. So follow up is an email and SMS sequence based on customer behavior. We will send it's a pre-planned SMS to them. So this is the SMS plan. We will discuss that later on. And finally, this box, I don't know what types of box this is, but this is the main. This box means the page, landing page, pop-up page, checkout, calendar, appointment, and other thank you page. So finally, once a prospect land on your landing page, they will get a button with register now or claim your offer now, something like that. And once they click on that, a pop-up field will come up, and there will be a form. And from that form, they can input their name and email. Once they register, that lead will be automatically updated in this opportunity field. This new lead will be added here automatically, and we can see next page is a checkout page. After the registration, they will get a checkout page. Once they pay for your service, they will automatically redirect to your calendar booking page. And once they book the a session, then the automation will run. This lead will automatically move from new lead to appointment booked. And the finally, once appointment booked, they will get a thank you message and a thank you page. So what about the automation and the pipeline? So once a customer register to your service, and they will their contact will be updated at this new lead section in opportunity field, and a new sequence will run. Email sequence will automatically run to check out. If the customer already check out, so they really don't need to get this opportunity. That in that case, won't get any email. They will just new lead. They will just go to the next level, calendar booking. So once check out, they will get a calendar booking page. Once they book, they will be getting this update. Their contact details will be updated from new list to appointment book that I previously said, and a new sequence will run about the confirmation reminder. For example, if any prospect booked a session after 3 days from the checkout date, so they will get an instant email about their confirmation. And after before the meeting, like one day ago, they will get another email. Tomorrow is your appointment, something like that. And finally, 2 hours ago, they will get another email or SMS reminder about their appointment. So if the customer don't show, or if the customer no show on appointment time or cancel the appointment, there will be another two opportunity will updated based on their action. We will send an email option. We will send a link about confirmation appointment cancel link. If any prospect cancel their appointment time, so this opportunity field will move updated from automatically inside the go high level. No show, sorry, cancel, it will be updated on cancel if the customer don't show or no show on the time the meeting. So automatically it will be updated on this field, no show in opportunity field. After then we can reschedule and book a new session, and next we can attend the meeting, and finally this is attend, it's actually the closing of this pipeline, like attended. That means we have successfully completed our session. So this is the final section of this funnel planning. So this is the how we can we will use this complete funnel. And I will duplicate this page as a funnel landing page. So you can see this is pretty clean, and this will be a bonus for this section, and you can easily learn how to design a go high level landing funnel landing page. And also we will create two other pages like checkout page, calendar booking page, and thank you page. These three pages I will create later on after the landing page. So we will use a little bit different in design, like a pop-up instead of this box. This box I will set on pop-up, and we will create a button here with this hero text. That's it. So let's see on the next video how to we will start designing this funnel in next video.